Hello, what it is good. Okay, so what I have in front of me is the Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie, and the name of this lip gloss is Ristica. What a name, Risk Taker. Oh yes, I love that. And I received this as a birthday present, and I only used 3 times. I only used it about 3 times, but I do remember like how it felt and stuff on my lips, so I would definitely talk about it and what it looks like on my skin complexion and all that good stuff. I love that it says, oh wait a minute, dang, I just did a 360 that fast. Okay, I love that it says happy birthday Fab, which is, I'm short for fabulous, so it's like, okay, alright. And they got the color of what it looks like, or close to it. So turn heads and stop traffic with brilliant sheer to medium color and non-stop shine. What? Okay, and then it just, gives it that lively description, like, how some descriptions like, okay, apply this on your lips and it will dry, or apply this on your lips for full moisture. Like this gives you like a nice introduction of using this product, like kind of like putting you in that zone, like already trying to set a vision for you while you applying this lip gloss on. So I was like, okay, I see you, Bare Minerals, I see you. My lips were really moisturized. I used it thinking that at the nighttime, just so my lips won't be dry, and it had a little sparkle to it. So I was like, okay, let me if something looks so plain, slap some clear gloss on. So I'm just gonna slap this on since it says it's a lip gloss and my lips won't be chapped. Okay, but anyway, at first I was like, okay, my lips seem a little sticky, but as I kept like rubbing my lips together with this product on, I was like, okay, feel like a nice gloss going on. It definitely left my lips moisturized, so there wasn't like any time where I felt like I have to apply more of it on. I didn't sense it at all. I did not tend to eat, going out to dinner or going out to eat or whatnot with this product on, so I really don't know how it works when you eat. Does it come off easily? Does it stain the straw really bad? Do you see the imprint on them fancy napkins? You know what I'm saying? So I don't recall me eating with this, but as far as just talking and conversing and having this on, it did its job. I didn't feel like, okay, I need to go and retouch it right quick. No, I didn't feel that way at all with this lip gloss on. And then hopefully you can see the ingredients on the side of it. And I heard that Bare Minerals kind of like using like natural things, like not harsh chemicals and stuff in their products. Okay, there we go. Okay, ooh, there we go. Okay, well, I mean, that's what okay, then it came out of this little box, and I just opened it. But Risk Taker, when you feel like you want to do a risk, well, no wait, you want to take risk, which I thought was empowering. I mean, that's a nice name. And this is what it looks like. See how glittery? You can see I haven't used it that much. I told you I do not wear makeup like that. But this is what it looks like. And then, okay. So I'm going to apply it to my skin. Okay, so this is what it looks on my skin. And you can see how like it has that glittery effect. And it's so pretty. So pretty. And it smells good too. Kind of gives you that peppermint smell to it. Sweet peppermint smell. This is what the brush looks like. So, it's easily applies on your lips. It was just like a regular lip gloss brush, lipstick brush, whatever you want to call it. Brush. Lip brush. What I did notice, when I apply this on my lips, it gives a cool sensation. Like, I felt like my lips kind of had like that cool tingly feel to it. And I mean, it's not a problem. I guess that's why I felt like it was like a little minty, because I noticed when I put like mint lipstick gloss stuff on my lips, not necessarily lipstick, lip gloss, I feel a little tingle sensation on my lips. Not a burn sensation, a tingling sensation where it's really cool. It makes my lips cool and feel refreshing and nice. Anyway, yeah, go ahead and copy this Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie. This